Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today we're looking at Aussie dollar, right? So what I like about Aussie dollar is that price is now testing this strong pullback resistance up here, right? So this to me is a really nice setup. Okay, right? It also happens to, if I'm not wrong, line up with a pretty nice Fibonacci, right? 23% Fibonacci retracement there, right? And a 38% Fibonacci retracement here. Both of the levels lining up really nicely for a potential drop. All right. So yeah, how low can it go? Right from here, we probably can keep our stop loss really tight, maybe above here. This will be where our stop loss is, right? And now take profit. Look to play the move all the way down to levels down here. That's my take profit down here. Okay, simple move, right? Really nice risk to reward setup that we're looking at, and if it works out well, you can drop all the way down. We can also see that Ichimoku is testing Ichimoku, right? So there's a chance that it might break out, but it's also at a major Fibonacci retracement, which I like, right? So multiple Fib confluences with a major pullback to these two levels. So we should ideally see price drop quite nicely down to our take profit. Okay, that's it for me for today's setup. Really nice, simple setup, right? Always remember, exercise caution when you're taking a trade, exercise proper risk management. Otherwise, stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow.